welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to highlight your hair to get some fire ass highlights without looking like a ombre or balayage. Just a basic regular highlight job, okay? So in this video today, I'll be doing this on Aliannabelle. This is Aliannabelle, the Kinkycurly texture. It's 24 inches. The closure is 20 and the rest of the hair is 24 inches. I did not cut it yet. I haven't done anything to it. But I don't think I want to cut it. I kind of like it like this, all long. It kind of layers itself out anyway, so I don't really think I'm going to cut it. But let's just go ahead and get into the video, and then I'll do all that outro stuff, and I'll blob and blob and blob and blob and blob and blob on. The intro is just saying, hey y'all, hey y'all. So let's just get into the video, okay? And then we just go to the outro. And then that's when I'll talk the most, alright? See you on the other side. Okay guys, since this is a partial, I'm taking off and sectioning off the hair that I will be highlighting. The part on the bottom is sectioned off because it will not be highlighted. So right here guys, I'm taking the section and I'm splitting it into 3 smaller sections. Okay, right here we are now beginning to highlight. So I want you to make a small section. Do not take a lot of hair. Get as thin as possible. And when doing this, you want to make sure it is small, it's thinner, because you do not want to miss spots and end up making a splotchy job. Alright guys, and right here we are about to start weaving. Take the comb, pull the piece of hair taut. Take the comb, go in, dip out, dip in, dip out, dip in, dip out, dip in and dip out. And then pull out the section on top. That is the section that you will be highlighting. The part on the bottom you will not be highlighting. So that creates dimension. See, look at that. That's the difference. Dimension. Now get that foil and go ahead and fold it over the comb. That just helps to put it in place. So when you remove the comb, because you're going to take it out, it's easy, it sits in place. And then you go in with the brush and you spread that on in there. Okay, you spread that on in there. Get in there. Get in there, please. Get in there. In this portion, you see me flip the ends up. I'm flipping the ends up and making sure as I flip the ends up, I put some lightener on there. I make sure I'm getting in there. I make sure I am doing everything. I'm flipping it up and I'm just going to fold it out the way. I would have done it the other way if I had longer foils, but since I didn't, I mean, not longer foils, since I didn't have longer paper sheets, at least the paper sheets, I'd use my foil. So I just flipped it up, and this is also a fine way too, okay? But make sure you have it evenly distributed throughout the whole hair, okay? It's just another clip, but a little bit faster, but it's the same thing. Just keep on weaving, keep on weaving. You can even play between a highlight and a balayage. Sometimes I do that. I just pick and choose, but this is a full highlighted look. So right here I am coloring towards the face. Now I'm putting it on the mannequin's face so that it doesn't create uneven stripy lines. I do not like stripy highlights, so I did it this way, and it's making it more blended. Okay guys, in this clip we are now applying the color. This color was nice, but it's a little bit too brassy, and I wanted a nice ash color, so we're going to get rid of this brassy color and put some ash on it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget, foil, weave. Make sure you are passing it through. Make sure you are saturating both sides. It's so easy to get a patchy lighting job, and then this part is lighting and this part isn't. You be like, why is my color uneven, or my lightning job uneven, and why is it brighter in this patch and darker in this patch? Just make sure you are getting it through evenly. That's all, really, honestly. Just get it through evenly. I don't know what the hell else I gotta say. Trying to figure it out. I probably should watch my video again. Yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More content coming soon. I'm gonna do another haul, because I just want to shop. I haven't really been shopping, so I really want to go shopping. You know, I just want to buy a lot of stuff, and I'm just in the mood, so I'm gonna buy some stuff and do a haul, because I want clothes, and really, I just want clothes. So I'm gonna do a haul soon, coming up on the channel. I really am feeling this. How y'all feeling this? Like, I really like this. And I was like, oh, I'm about to ruin the curl pattern. That's why I did not lighten it twice, because I prefer curls over color. So I knew if I continued to lighten this hair, it would not be these curls. Honestly, if I lightened it again, in certain pieces, I actually did lighten again. And they're like limp, like right here. This limp as hell. This is what the curl was like originally. This is the curls originally. They're already looser in texture. But yeah, so this is like the original texture, and I will put a picture inside of the video showing off the hair. Why the hell did I say that in my intro? What the fuck, stupid girl. And then this is like after the lightening color, just it's a little looser. So keep lightening this type of hair, and it will loosen to deep wave or loose wave. Sorry. But yes, guys, I guess I can do a mini review on this hair. This hair is really good. I love Aliannabelle. So, yeah, I recommend a lot of people to them. The only thing I don't like about the hair is the chemical smell. But, you know, one thing I have realized with AliExpress, because I have bought a lot of hair. Ali has been a majority of it, but I've also ventured outside. What I have noticed is with AliExpress is all the hair that has that strong-ass chemical smell be the best hair. Once it loses that chemical smell, it be shit. It's like they just opened in their company or something, so they want to push out all the best product, and the best product has to be, it smells so bad. It smells so bad. But what I realized, because I used to do Queen hair products, I used to do well wigs, when their hair used to smell, this hair company, Aliannabelle, reminds me of how Queen hair products used to be a long time ago. Their hair used to stink. I'd be like, please don't let me get caught in the rain. Please don't let me get caught in the rain. No. Please don't let me get caught in the rain. Please don't let me get caught in the rain. Oh, because it was stinky. And let that junk get wet. Ooh. But, honestly, after you get the chemical smell out, which you really could, it's possible. After you get the chemical smell out, that hair is bomb because it's the thickest, the fullest, and it lasts the longest. I remember majority of my wigs from Queen hair products, I still have them because they're thick and they are bomb. I love when companies are new because they just push out all the good hair. Hopefully, Aliannabelle does not change their vendor or whoever they get their hair from and start getting crappy ass hair that's thin. Like I changed it because, and I was with Queen for a long time, but I changed it. Excuse me, I changed it because it's that Chipotle. Okay, I broke that up. I changed it because it got thinner. I changed it because Basically because the bundles were thin as hell. Like, they just got real skimp and limp. And same thing with wigs. Their hair wasn't even thick to begin with. It was just a nice natural, like, you would have to get a 4th bundle with them. Queen hair products, you didn't have to get a 4th bundle. They shit was thick on 3 bundles. The Aliannabelle, you don't have to get a 4th bundle. They shit is thick on 3 bundles. If you want like big Texas hair, fine, 4 bundles for both of them. But now I haven't been at Queen hair products in a while because I couldn't get with the fact that their hair got really thin. It lost the smell. It got really thin. I was happy the smell was gone, but the hair got really thin and just really not that good. It wasn't holding to dye easily anymore. It wasn't that good. And what wigs was, their hair was good, but I feel like they got popular too and their hair got thinner than what it already was. I can pull, your hair is like really thin as hell. For real. One of my cousins bought hair from them and it seemed like she got 2 bundles of one. But it's 3 bundles. It's so thin. But yeah, guys, so this hair is amazing. I really will recommend this hair. It's curly hair. You do not sleep in curly hair. Hopefully I know that. I'm not going to say nothing crazy. Like, it tangles. It does tangle. I mean, right in the area where all curly hair tangles or all hair tangles, right there. So, I mean, I'm not really worried about that. I know that that's going to happen. And I also don't sleep in my hair. This is a wig. Y'all know I wear wigs. I'm a wig queen. I don't sleep in no damn hair. Okay? Hell no. I don't sleep in no goddamn hair. I tried to sleep in some hair on vacation. It was like, Cannot. Where's the bonnet? Take me to Walmart. Gotta get a bonnet. I can't sleep in no wigs. My head get hot. I get hot. Hell no. So, this hair is amazing. The only thing I will say about this hair is it does shed. But not in a sense of like right now. Like, I'm not going to find pieces of hair on the ground. Hell no. But if you detangle this hair, it does shed a lot. It does shed a lot if you detangle this hair. And this hair, it's just because this is what the lengths I picked. This has nothing to do with this hair. This hair get caught on every damn thing. It just irritates my soul. I be like this every day. Like, it get caught on everything. It's the lengths. It's 24 inches. Oh, sorry. Ship. I forgot a lot of things. Okay, guys. So, my camera just cut off. So, it's just telling me to shut the hell up. The video is going too long. So, I'm just going to say peace and blessings, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's have a little community. Ask me questions. I'm a hairstylist. You might have questions and I might have answers. Ask me questions. You want your hair done? Email me. My email's in the description below. I'll link the stores of the hair. I'll link the lengths and the products I also use. Because I did use Blonde Me, which was my first time trying Blonde Me. And it was kind of cool. It was okay. The hair is way moisturized. I feel like if you use like a BW or something like that, that's a little bit more drying. But then again, I'm rambling again. Maybe I can make a video about different lighteners. Bing bong. Bing bong. But, yeah, let's just go ahead and leave. Sorry. Hold on. Gather yourself. Just getting a little sleepy. That's all. I just went to work earlier, so bring it back. Come on, bring it back. All right, guys. So have a nice day. Peace.